So I would, much like I did in the early days with my business, I would do it all. I would go after it in a lot of different ways. I would first off start talking to people everywhere that I went. I would talk to people in coffee shops and places where they feel relaxed and comfortable. I'd ask a ton of questions to learn about them. I would be kind to everyone that crossed my path. I'd try to leave everybody I met with a feeling of increase. I would join a bunch of Facebook groups that interest me, maybe some things about cooking, that kind of thing. I'd find my interests and find like-minded people, and I would give, love, serve, before I asked.